Okay, so here we go. If you look over, I don't know where to point. If you look over there, yes, that is a mock of what I'm trying to build today. So this is not the real mock or whatever from the client project that I'm working on. This is just a kind of like it. So I'm just going to explain what the client wants. All right. So at the top, there's going to be a hero row and then a second row and then third, fourth. I think this is the fourth row. And then when you get here, the client wants this to be a Lottie file. But as you scroll down, it's going to stick. So this is going to stick while this whole thing. How do I lock this? Lock. There it goes. As these three, wait. I want all of these to, no, all of these to group. Oh, I'm so confused. Whatever. Okay, so as this Lottie file sticks, these will move up. And there's going to be like 5 of these where it's like a progression bar and headline. Okay, so as I scroll down, this sticks, this Lottie file sticks while this copy scrolls. All right? However, so that's easy, relatively speaking. That's easy. However, as this scrolls, this Lottie file should play on scroll. So the scrub in the Lottie progression of the video should scrub back and forth based on the scroll position. All right. So now it gets a little bit more complex, but we got this, right? And then this progress bar. So you'll only see one of them at a time. So let me delete these. So you'll only see one of them at a time. So you'll only see one progress bar at a time. And as you scroll, the progress bar, the first bar is going to fill up. And then it's going to go away. Come on. Where are you? Okay. It's going to go away. And then it's going to show up for the second one. And then the second one's paragraph copy will show up while the first one goes away. So we have multiple things happening, and I don't know if I'll get it done by the time we're done with an hour and a half from now, but I'm going to try at least do 1 or 2 of these. And once I figure out the pattern, I'm like, okay, I can go ahead and copy this and paste it into the real project. So I'm kind of working on a project file or client project, but at the same time teaching. So 2 birds, 1 stone type of thing. So you can see where it's getting complex. So let's get to it. Tommy, can you do some tutorials or reviews on Udesly? Ooh! I can't. But something's happening soon next year with me and Udesly. So stay tuned. Yeah, stay tuned for that. Yeah. So this is what we're trying to tackle, and here's what I built so far, all right? So we have a Lottie file that autoplays. Obviously, I'm not doing a project for NASA. This is just something that I pulled off of lottiefiles.com. So, I mean, and I'm also wearing the worm. So, let's see here. Let me make it loop just so we can see it happening. So I have this headline, and then I have this sticky wrapper, which has position relative. Ooh, where's my magnifier? Hold on, close magnifier. There we go. All right, sticky wrapper. Okay, so when you want something to stick, you need a parent element to have relative, okay? So when something sticks, it's relative to its parent. We have this Lottie animation, and we need to make this stick. So we'll call this Lottie, and with this Lottie element, we're going to do position, oh gosh, sorry for going so fast. Okay. Position sticky, and we want to set that to like 110 from the top. Okay, so that way, when I scroll, notice how I'm scrolling up and down. Okay, so that's what's happening. So Lottie is sticking on the left. So first thing is done. These though, I don't want it to stick. Why is it sticking? Is this sticky? Oh, it's because because the grid is sticky. I don't want the grid to be sticky. Let's try that again. There we go. All right, cool. We're there. And so this is an advanced tutorial. So if you're a beginner and you're like, what? I probably have some beginner sticky position tutorials in my YouTube channel. I don't know where, but it should be there somewhere. Yeah. So steps grid is position static, and it's a grid of 2 columns. And on the first column, we have the Lottie file, which has a position sticky of 110. And this second column, I didn't add any styles to it. That's why it has no class name. But it's that second column that holds all these, what I call step cards. And inside of each step card, I have that progress bar. I have a headline and some text. So what I want to do is all these texts, I want to hide them, these extra text, because they shouldn't show up on the first load. Okay. Also, these scroll bars, the scroll progress wrapper, what I have in them is I have this to be height of 8. That's what gives it its thickness. And then I made a position relative. And then I gave it a background color of what the client wanted. Okay? Inside of there, I actually have the thing that fills. The scroll progress bar that fills. All right? And so I have that as position absolute. And we should push it to the left like that. And I have the width at 0% and the height 8 pixels. And so what's going to happen is as I scroll down, this should happen. So as I make the width, as I scroll down, the width is going to fill up like that. Scroll down, scroll up, scroll down, scroll up like that. And then once it fills, then it should do like a zero. Oh, yeah. And then this progress right here should go down to with 0%. So it goes away. So it's like fill, and then animate away. Fill, animate away. So something like that. I don't know. Again, I usually just go into these projects, all of my projects, like, I can do that. And then I figure it out. Because half of me knows I can do it, and that half is the one that pushes me forward. The other half that says, no, you can't do it, that's the one I don't want to listen to. All right, so we've set this up. I think I need to make all the scroll progress wrappers 0% width. So we're just left with this. I think we're ready for interactions. I think. Who knows? All right, let's go. First thing I want to do is this Lottie file is going to play from 0 to 100% based on how far down the page I am. So let's sticky wrapper. So the sticky wrapper, I have it at 500 VH. What if I just did auto? What would happen? Nope, it has to be 500 VH. Okay, I'm going to do it based on that. Let's get this. Actually, no, sticky wrapper. And this is where we're going to do our while scrolling in view. And play custom scroll animation. Plus, we have a new scroll animation. All right. I want to target the Lottie file. And we're going to do Lottie. And we're going to start at 0%. And when I get to 100% of the height of the page, we're going to go 100% of that. So that's the easiest Lottie. That's the easiest interaction because I just go like this. I'm wondering if it should be the... Oh. Huh. Maybe I should make the sticky wrapper smaller. Doesn't feel like it needs to be that tall. I'll do 300 on the height. All right, let's preview. And there we go. Retrovision, what's up? I feel like it's... Oh, it's because we're at the very top. All right, let me put this to 20. Actually, no. That's not how the page is going to be because I have a section above this. So let me make another section real quick. Again, this is a tutorial / just watch me work on a client project-ish type of deal. So it's going to go like this. Like we have a section above it and then we stick. Okay, that's feeling better. Okay, so we have that. Now let's figure this stuff out. We're going to do scroll based on where these cards are. So... Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. Step card. And if this works, then we've just solved the problem. We can reuse this same animation over and over. So let's try it. Here we go. Plus, and we'll say step card animation. All right, so we need to set this up again. Scroll progress bar wrapper. You need to be, let's just set you up at 0. You're 0%. Okay, and then at 100% of the scroll, you're going to be 100%. For you, oh wait, no, sorry. Keyframe should be 2%. So it does this thing. Oh, can't really see it. All right, when do we get... Okay, I wanna... Okay, when step 1 gets to here... Say right here. Okay, we're gonna do 40. So this one will be 42, and this one's going to be 40. So when I preview, cool. That's what I want. I'm good. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. All right, and so progress bar right here. We're gonna say at 42. We're going to size that up to 0%. Then, where is 100%? So we want to go, so when it gets to here, so 73, that's when I want the bar to fill. Okay, so duplicate, and this one's going to be 73, and I want this to be filled to 100%. So that way we got this stuff going. Hey. 0 to 100. Okay, there we go. Am I starting it too late, or I think I should... Man. Decisions. All right. Each step card is going to have like a bunch of margin bottom. I don't want to see the next step until later. Again, how does Sarko make a video game in Webflow and not get mad? Or he probably does get mad and he doesn't show it. Okay, I'm good here. I'm happy with that. Okay, wait, less. Let's say 300. I feel like I'm almost there. Yeah, okay, so this fills up and then the next one should show up right away. And it should fill up right about here. Let's fill it up at 60. I feel like we're making progress. Yeah, okay. We fill up at 60 and then a gradual fade out for 70. Duplicate 100 to 0. Okay, cool. Okay. Pablo, I think we're getting somewhere. He got mad, all right. He did. I haven't seen Drone Cam before, but welcome, Drone Cam. Okay, so we're there, and now it's the paragraph. So paragraph should paragraph at 40 we should start at 0, and then at 42 can we do auto? Webflow's not doing it. Fine, Webflow. 200 pixels. And then from 60 to 70, duplicate that one, duplicate. Cool. So if I save this, let's see. I feel like this is it. It looks like it's glitching. Why is that glitching? Oh, it's because I'm going up and down really fast. Okay. Wait, what? Maybe it needs to be more gradual. Instead of 2 percentages. Okay. Let me make this go to 30 then. 30, and this one goes to 40. So it's 10. You have 10%. Yeah, there we go. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. I think this is it. And so what I can do, check this out. Since I don't have to go to each one and recreate the animation, because everything has a effect class, children with this class. So all of these elements are children within the step card, and the step card is the one that has the child elements. What I can do is go done, and then check this out. Class. Boom. Done. I've done it for all 5 steps. So check it out. Oh, oh well, I need to add a section under it. Hold on. Yay! We did it, everyone. We did it. Wait, I didn't add that fade out. Oh, the fade out is in the Lottie file.